Every year, more than 200 anime are released on average, out of which most of them are isekai. But the more you watch them, the worse they get. So in this video, I am going to give you the 5 most underrated isekai anime that you can watch in a single day while eating your favorite snacks. So let's get started. Kamekatsu, working for a god in a godless world. The story of our anime starts with our main character Yakuto, the son of a questionable cult leader, dying because of his father's ridiculous cult practices. Now, to his surprise, this is his ideal world, with no concept of god or religion. But not everything is as good as he thought, and now he has to create a religion in a world with no concept of god just to survive. Now the animation of this anime is questionable at some places, but it will not waste your field day. Master of Ragnarok and Blesser of Inhajar. Imagine if a high school kid gets stuck in a world of Vikings, but instead of magic sword, his only weapon is Google. That's the Master of Ragnarok. Our main guy, Yuto, is basically playing Age of Empire in real life. He is not the strongest fighter, but he uses his smartphone to teach ancient tribes how to build better shield and use modern battle formations. It's like watching how-to video on conquering the world. Yet it's not just a boring history lesson. It's a race against time to keep his phone charged while leading his army of Viking-style warriors. However, don't think of him like a typical hero. Think of him like a tech-savvy CEO who accidentally became a king. If you like seeing big brains beat big muscles, this is the one to watch. Okay, so if you are bored with the same old premises, this one is different. Grimgar. Most isekai anime feels like a power trip, but Grimgar feels like a survival horror. Imagine waking up in the fantasy world where you aren't the hero. You are just level 1 background character with zero money. There are no cheap skills or overpowered weapons here. Instead, this kid has to struggle just to kill one single goblin. Because in this world, fighting a single goblin is equal to fighting a final boss. It's like watching a teenager trying to beat Dark Souls when they never held a controller in their life. The art looks like a beautiful watercolor paintings, yet the story is as gritty as war documentary. However, that's exactly why it's a masterpiece. It doesn't focus on saving the world. It focuses on the fear, the heavy breathing, and the cost of every single victory. If you are tired of heroes who never lose, Grimgar is the reality check you have been waiting for. No Game No Life. If Grimgar were the war documentary, No Game No Life is a neon-soaked fever dream. Imagine in a world where war is illegal and every single thing, from a sandwich to a kingdom, is decided by a high-stake gambling. It follows Shiro and Sora, two geniuses siblings who are basically as grandmasters on steroids. They get pulled into the world of giant glowing board game. However, this isn't just Go Fish. It's like watching a psychological thriller playing at the Las Vegas casino. The colors are so bright, they practically bleed off the screen. Yet the strategy is dark and calculated. Most heroes win with friendship power-up, but these two win by outsmarting the literal god of game. It's fast, it's flashy. It's basically Sherlock Holmes if he lived inside a video game. If you want a show that makes your brain work hard as your eyes, this is it. 8th. Are you kidding me? Okay, for this anime on our list, try to imagine winning a lottery, but finding out that you have to pay 99% in taxes. That's exactly what happened to Shingo, a tired office worker who wakes up as a noble child named Gwendolyn. On the outside, it looks like he's living a dream in a fancy castle. However, once he looks at the castle wall, he realizes the castle is crumbling. His family is broke. He is the 8th son. His inheritance is literally zero. He's a prince on paper, but beggar in reality. Yet, everything changes when he finds out an old book and realizes he's a magical nuclear reactor. While his brothers are fighting over a little scrap of dirt, he is out there accidentally blowing up mountains. It's like watching a kid play medieval simulation while having cheat code enabled. Instead of a typical hero journey, it's more like a corporate climber trying to navigate typical royal politics without getting fired. If you want to see a broke noble become the richest man in the kingdom through pure magical big brain move, so that's our list. These 5 worlds couldn't be any different from one another. From big brains of strategies of Master of Ragnarok to the brutal reality of Grimgar. However, the real question is, if you wake up in the new world tomorrow, would you rather have a cheat code or smartphone or god tier magic? Let me know in the comments, because I actually read them. And if you're tired of same old anime reviews and want some fresh perspective on shows that actually are worth your time, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I am back and I got a massive lineup and deep dives for you coming this season. Yet none of this work without you, the community. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one. For more peak fiction, peace.